Ajarabado, ajarabadi, ajarabadudu, ashkarabadushki. Ay! Kamote ka talaga! Kamote ka, kamote! Kamote! Mamaya na tayo magpakakamote. At hintayin muna natin silang uy, bago helmet. Ayun, di na. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Test recording lang po ito dahil adik. Pero hindi pa ako nagsasabu or drugs. Pero adik po ako, no, sa buwag. Wasak. Magandang umaga po sa inyo mga ganders at chupopo kong tropa pips. Good morning to all of you. Ay, sorry po sir. It's DMRPH and welcome to my channel, The Diary of a Motorcycle Rider Philippines. Yeah boy. Testing. Ay, ang pogi talaga ng helmet ko So anyway, kaya po ako nagkakandaloko-loko ngayon dahil ako po ay may bagong helmet courtesy of Motoworld Philippines. It's the LS2 Rapid. So, it's a first impression. Shemay, hindi yata naka-on yung mga air vents ko. Sobrang excited kong gamitin. Go tayo. First impression, no? First ride on my brand new helmet, LS2 Rapid, solid color, white. Yeah. Well, build quality, outstanding. But again, it's a budget meal helmet. Yes, dahil po ang bigat at ang sakit na po sa leeg ko ang aking lumang tartaruga by AGV. Yeah, it's a K3 SV. Sir, bakit kayo tumatawid dyan? Konti na lang, pedestrian lane na. Dalawang tumbling lang yan, no? Ayan. So ayun, masakit na po sa aking leeg ang AGV K3 SV, no? I have two. It's Tartaruga and yung I forgot the name. It's I think it's a Sun and Moon. Not the Sole Luna. It's the Sun and Moon na parang gothic, parang ganyan, whatever. Papakita ko na lang po sa inyo sa video. And so first impression, it's super light compared to my K3 SV. And build quality outstanding. The lightness of it, it's super light. It feels much better than my K3 SV on my neck. It's easier to maneuver, it's easier to carry using your neck dahil po maliit ang kanyang shell size at magaan, no? As for the air vents, I cannot feel any air right now because it's super hot and I'm like running on 30 kilometers per hour habang tayo po ay balak singitan itong taxi. It has this large breath deflector, no? Para po sa hindi po nagpo-fog up yung inyong visor, no? And yeah, I got the solid color because I'm excited to put my sticker on the back, on the sides, and on the front na batok for a cause. The reason for it is patukan nyo po ako, meron po kayong sticker. Paki-selfie na rin kayo sa akin. So I'm gonna make a review of this to tell you the technical specifications of this awesome helmet that I have now. It's brand new over there, over here. Yeah. Woo, ang pogi ko na naman with a dark light smoke visor, also from LS2. So, for all of you guys who want a budget meal helmet like this one that I'm wearing, you can go and get yourself an LS2 Rapid. Yeah! It's priced around 2,800. Hindi ko lang po alam sa iba, but it's a mother effin cheap helmet with an outstanding build and quality. Hindi na po kayo iiwan sa ere, no? Isa po siya sa lightest ng LS2 and isa rin po siya sa mga cool na helmet out there. So, mamaya na lang po, gagawa na lang po ako ng review and some kind of how I did my setup, a motovlogging helmet setup on this awesome LS2 Rapid from Motoworld Philippines. Yeah boy. So again, thanks for watching my diary, the diary of a motorcycle rider Philippines, and ride safe. Oh man, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. Oh no, wait, it's here. The notification button, it's over there. Yeah, and ride safe people. Thanks for watching. Bye.